In this video, I will show you how to add assignments to your classes. So when you go to course, you can click open. This is my first period. And then, for example, let's say you want to do module 1, matter and energy. You click open. And then you decide what you want to test them for that day. And it also shows you all the ticks here of what is going to be testing them on. So for example, if you want a diagnostic test, you can click assign. And if you want all your class periods to be able to see the assignment here, you click all classes. And so you'll do it for all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can add the date range. So for example, if you just want it for that day, you can do tomorrow, February 25th from, let's say, 8 a.m. And give them all day or maybe until the next day at like 6 a.m. And then you click assign. So I'm not going to click assign so they don't get that one or they don't get a notification on that one. But that's how you assign what you want them to be tested on that day.